Are you telling me the agency's connected to Victoria?
Yeah.
Let him go.
These are very dangerous people, man. If you screw them over, they will find you. But if you let me be the middleman... Can't you see? If it meant enough to them to send a fucking hitman, don't you see she's gotta be worth millions? Millions.
I'll take my chances. Oh, you're good this time, Birdie. You've been very useful. But if I see your weasel face again, I will bury you right here next to the Founding Fathers. I can promise you that. You know I will.
I'm cool. I'm cool. Think you're gonna cut me out of the action? Well, you got another thing coming, man. I got a sorpresa for you. Yeah. Yeah. In fact, I got a surprise for everybody.
Hey, you. Hold on, huh? Hey. What was it? Oh, yeah, what was it? Go fuck yourself. That's what it was.
Woo! Yeah! Come on, girl.
Hey. Hey, where'd you get the rags from, man?
got a 20 for
Dead
you,
homeless
baby.
guy?
Yeah, get him out. for, stranger? Trouble? Son of a bitch! Pussy, biker!
Who you calling a pussy? I'm gonna bust your fucking mouth apart.
Give me that chair, I'm gonna fucking break it over his head! I had a few beers. I'm ready to take anybody on.
Yeah, have a good one.
We gotta get the fuck out of here, or we're gonna get our asses kicked!
This guy's always cruising through town. Fuck them! I'm gonna beat the shit out of him.
Hey! Hey! Sweet! Nice badge! I haven't seen a great fight like this for years!
Fucking inbred white trash. I'm gonna kick his
Slap the
ass.
shit out of you!
Officer.
Fucking kick him in the balls!
Whoa, I can smell your aftershave.
Well,
right?
I'll be a monkey's uncle.
Hey,
Chloe,
hey, stranger.
we have a bar fight in progress
Nobody's
at the
gonna
Great
miss
Falls
it.
of Fire.
Yep, have a good...
Whoa! What happened to him?
Fucking bikers and rednecks. I'm gonna kick the shit out of them.
It's just one guy. Come on!
The matchbox in Wade's pocket has led me to the Great Balls of Fire, a rowdy roadside bar on the outskirts of Hope, South Dakota. If I find Lenny, I find Victoria. I made a promise, to the girl and to a dying friend. So far, I have let them both down. I will make this right. Lenny, Dexter, Travis, they are all going to pay.
Dude, I work here, okay? Please, don't hurt me. I just work here. Barbershop! Every day, 12 noon, sharp!
Hey, Holmes. How's country life? Locals treating you okay? Why don't you pop on over to McGarman's gun shop, because I got you a little moving-in present.
Sir, I think you need to see this. Sir, you really need to see this.
What?
It's a gift. From an old connection. It's been off the grid for a couple of years now. Codename Birdie.
We codenamed the guy Birdie, no wonder he went off the grid. Give the Birdman what he wants. You find 47 at any cost.
They're not for sale, son.
They're mine.
Not unless you got a receipt.
I could just take them.
You don't look much like a thief.
It wouldn't be stealing.
Tell you what, I'll sell them to you if you can outshoot a girl. You think you can outshoot a girl?
Depends on the girl.
Any ugly ain't got shit on my sweet Lily. Let's see what you got.
Hey, didn't you used to date my sister?
Hey man, I need some help.
How can I help you, partner?
Well, I can't seem to find any shotgun ammo.
Should be stocked in back with all the other ammo.
Yeah, I looked, but I can't find any.
Huh. Well, you know, we had some this morning, and I know we ain't got none in the back. Huh. So that nutty guy must have used it all up on the range.
Pretty boy,
Really?
come here.
All of it.
Come here.
In one day.
Yeah.
You're pretty.
And he'd been cussing like a rabid dog all day, too.
Those dang city folk got no manners.
Yeah. I mean, a cuss or two. Dang, I do that. But every other word? Well, that's just childish and immature.
Yeah, they probably think using the F word is making them real special.
Yeah. That's not how people talk in real life.
That's the truth. So when in the hootenanny you ever gonna get stocked up on ammo again?
In a day or two, and that's true.
Okie dokie. I'll just till around a bit and see if I can find something special for the kids. Maybe a little pistol like a 38.
All right. See you later. Huh.
Guns like that ought to be displayed on an altar.
Yeah. Killed my first jackrabbit with a piece like that. Well, it sort of looks like
Look at that.
Help you, miss?
That's the kind of gun.
Hi. I would like to purchase a gun.
Well, it's a gun shop, so you come to the right place.
You know, those rifles by the entrance, they look powerful. Can I try one?
Yeah, just point out the one you want to look at.
Hey, you on any of them?
social networks.
What about that big one?
That is a nice choice, miss. Now this is your Kazo TRG. Developed for taking down big game on a long distance with, might I add, superb precision.
You mentioned big game. How big?
A big game could be anything from wild turkey to black bear, miss.
Oh, that's very interesting. Are people considered big game?
What are you specifically interested in, miss?
You tell me.
Competition, hunting, pleasure.
Hunting.
All right, well, what kind of game are we talking about?
The male of the species.
Which species? Are you sure you want a rifle, miss? I mean, how about a slingshot? Take out a rabbit, you know, less deadly, so still stings.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. Dead sure.
Okay, well then, why don't you take a good look around the shop? Maybe there's something a little more suited for your purpose. No point buying more gun than you need.
I suppose not. I think I'm gonna take a look around. I truly thank you for your help.
Well, if you have any other questions, just fire them on over. I mean, just, you know, ask.
Just don't. Oh, hey, mister. You must be new around here.
Hey, you got any more of those, SMGs in stock?
Yeah, over in the corner.
Oh, cool, thanks.
Birdie. He took my silver ball as his payment for his services. Now he's giving them back. For some reason, he's reaching out. Can I trust him? Or has his allegiance shifted towards more lucrative business partners? No matter. Before I go after Lenny, I will reclaim my weapons. I have been adrift for too long.